Hello everyone, it's Hanny again with number 13 of Margarete Miller's 5-prompt weekly collage challenge, and the prompts are something orange. Yeah, I found a piece of paper I like with orange on it. It's not an orange item, how do we call that thing? But just an orange paper, and I like this. Something with claws. Where do I have it? Something with claws. I had little birdies. Oh yeah, here. I love them. And they have claws. Well, it's Easter. Well, they are not, well, the right chickens. But well, well, this from a bird, an eagle or something. I don't know, but they have claws. That's obvious. A bell or bells. Well, I searched everything, illustrations, and I had that one before, and I couldn't find any. Yeah, I found one. Which one was that? In the beginning. Well, I can't find it. Well, there was a bell somewhere. The same prompt. Well, I don't know. But, well, the only thing I could find was in my Christmas stuff was this bell. Well, I don't like it. And a foam stamp of a bell. Well, I think I'm going to use that. Stripes or striped paper. Well, I have several stripes, striped paper, and I have pattern paper. Here is also a piece with stripes, so that will go okay. Calligraphy. Well, I had a book, calligraphy book, and there was all kinds of fonts in it, and also the Gothic fonts. And I thought, oh yeah, I have an old German book with a Gothic font in it, and that's calligraphy. So I have all kinds of pieces of paper with that font. It's so fragile that it's falling apart. And numbers. Well, I have my number page. I can use one of those. So that's it. So I will try to. I don't have much focal points. Maybe I look for something else in orange. But I could use this paper though. So I will tear this paper anyway, and maybe I'm going to look for something else in orange. So I will try this one, like that. I'll glue it there. And striped paper with stripes on it. Maybe I could use this one. It's an old receipt from the shop from my parents. Here at Tromp. Well, maybe I could use a piece of that. The Gothic paper, yes. Well, that's not white, isn't it? Maybe I do something else. Maybe I use another paper. some Gothic paper. Sonnenaufgang, like that. Sonnenaufgang. Careful, honey. It's so fragile. I can blow it apart. Well, I think I'm going to use this piece. I just glue it on. Morgen. What do Sonnenaufgang? I like Sonnenaufgang. So I will glue that on. It sticks to my fingers, please no. A bit higher. So and the paper with stripes. Yeah. Which one? This one. I like those two holes. So I will glue this on. That's the paper with stripes. I can't see the end of my page. I think this is the end. Yeah. There's a bump of glue. Well, it's warm. The weather is warm. It's a bit hot over here, so the glue is soft. It melts a bit. So I'm getting bumps with my glue stick. Something like that. Maybe I could use a piece of this. Yeah, I like it anyway. Like so. Like this. What do I have? More numbers. Well, I have to have a few focal points. I have the birds, the little birds. Where are you? There they are. So no, I'm not going to glue it there. I'm going to glue it somewhere else. So like that. Maybe a little piece of that here too. Why not? Like so. So that's the background. So I have something orange, but maybe I will search for something anyway. Something orange. So I have this bird. I have a stamp. Yeah. I don't like it very much, and I don't like that at all. But I don't have any any bells. So numbers. I have something orange. I will look for something more, something with claws, a bell or bells. Could do that in orange, but I don't like it. I don't like it. No, I don't. I like those birdies. Calligraphy. Oh yeah, I have that already. Numbers. Numbers. Which numbers? Maybe just a strip of these numbers. Just random numbers. Maybe a bit smaller. Something like that. I think I'm going to search a bit more. Maybe I find a bell and something orange. Yeah, something orange. I want something and a bell. Yes. I will glue this somewhere on, I think. But I'm going to look because I don't like this stamp. Yes, I like it, but not on here. It's too big, and I don't have another stamp. So I'm going to search for a while for something orange and a bell, and maybe I find an orange bell. But we'll see. I'll come back later. So I'm back. I couldn't find a bell, and I won't use my computer for that, because that's easy. I know. You just Google a bell and you have a bell and you can print it out, and well, there it is. But hey, I found a little alarm clock, and it has 2 bells on there, so I'm going to stamp 1 or 2 or 3 of these little alarm clock on the page. So, and I found an orange tag. Well, this was a bit too orange, so I toned it down a bit. And now I have a lot of orange. so maybe I will cut something off. I have a little orange bird. I had some orange flowers, these, but I like the bird more, so I will use the orange bird because these are birds too. I have the numbers, and I have my little clock, so I don't know how to do it exactly, but I will cut a piece of my tag because I want to make a pocket of those little birdies. So I will glue the birds down. I have to unclog my glue again. I hope it works. Yes, there it is. So I'm gluing this down as a pocket. Somewhere over here. So let it dry. I will glue that little bird on. Oh, somewhere like there. Something like that. I have to glue the numbers on. A number there. Oops, those are my fingers. Number there. Something like that. The tag in. And now I have to stamp my bells. Well, maybe one is enough. I think one is enough. Well, let's see, something orange. Well, the little bird, and I have my orange tag, something with claws, those little birds, a bell or bells, my alarm clock with 2 bells, striped or stripes or striped paper, that's here, calligraphy, that's this book text, and numbers, the bonus. Well, I am ready. This is it. It's a bit, I don't know the right word for it, we call it a kaal. Well, not much on it. But hey, it's what it is, so thank you for watching. Bye bye.